Hello and welcome to D-Class TV, where we're going to feature a new series which is actually going to be using my own car, which I bought in 2019. I've done nothing with it since, where we're going to do a full exterior body restoration and a full interior restoration. Let's go now and see the development of getting the body into the shape it currently is. So Barry, my Mercedes 420 SL, which I bought in 2019. Tell us how and what was wrong with the car when I got it and how we've got it to where it is now.
So what we done when you first bought the car, we assessed it for its condition. From the report we found pretty much the common things with SLs with regards to rust. So the first thing really was to focus on the repairs that we were doing for that. So inner arches have been repaired, seal repairs, most commonly the bulkhead repair, which has all been completely done as well. A couple of boot floor repairs, which are quite common again, but they've all been done as well. That then led us on to actually doing the bodywork side of it as well. It didn't really need to go back to anything of bare metal, and obviously you didn't want to go that far. It had a sound foundation for the paintwork side. We gave the car a full coat of epoxy primer, one of the best products to use for an anti-corrosion, so to hold its future for protection there. Gave it a full coat of epoxy. That also allowed us a foundation to do any filler work onto as well. We then prepped all of that, and then as you can see, anything that was then coated for the red was then done in a 2K solid paint, followed by then a clear coat over it as well, just to give it that extra depth and shine that you can see that it's got now.
Yeah, and the car's finished in signal red, which was the original factory colour, which we've not changed and gone away from anything, just putting it all back on the exterior as it was original.
Correct.
And we've painted inside of the hood well and the boot well.
On the car itself, we've then correctly done the hood well and the boot, as you say, because obviously we've done the repairs in there as well, and that's actually again finished in the correct 7129 shade that they were finished in as well.
Grey as well.
So that's all done again to the correct spec.
Again, a lot of these will get painted and they just paint in here black
Yeah.
and there black.
Yep.
And
Same with
sure
when
it's
we
right.
work through the sill. Again, the sill colours will go in the same colour.
Yeah.
Being the facelift, it was actually done in that colour of it rather than again the blacks which were done on the earlier model.
Yeah. And that's the thing, we've still got the side seals there to paint.
Yep.
That's just still in the primer, isn't it, at the moment?
So that's had a primer to protect it, and then we've put the stone chip on ready. So then that will then just have the correct grey.
Yep.
And then obviously again we've re-stone chipped all the arches just to give it the correct finish the whole way through.
Yep.
And then they will go into the red the same as what the fronts had done. Again, as per a factory spec, because they were coloured all through the inside. Following on from this now, we're going to work in a staged process for you to be fitting up. So we'll obviously now go for the rear valance part of the bumper, which was coloured, boot lid, hood lid, and then again we'll just continue to work through to the front of the vehicle.
Yeah, because we can start assembling as you're starting to do, and we'll start trimming the boot, putting the hood frame back in, and then following that in with the trim in the car.
That's it.
So
yeah.
And as far as the engine goes, we're not doing anything to do with the engine. Obviously we'll service it. I've not used it in a very long time, but predominantly the engine and everything is okay in there. But yeah, it's going to be fresh bodywork, fresh trim. I'm trimming it in leather, the factory finished leather, and a brand new roof as well. And we're just going through all the details, tidying anything up that needs to be tidied. There's a bit of wiring to sort out. Couple of new parts that were either broken or perished. Just going to make sure they're right and all of the details going as they should, and refurbish the alloys. And well, that's it. I mean, we're on to the next stage now. So yeah, tune in for that next part.